Okay, so far so good. Do you know what that means? It's the end. Finally, we made it to the end. Well, as I was saying, we reached the three movies in a row. I know, right? Guys, look, a present for D. Dear letters and mascots, including production text and media text. Thank you all for reaching Take City 5. Can you make a sequel to this? And we like to make a new logo even better. From Garnold. Well, it is time for us to leave. Having fun. We miss you, media text. Don't cry, you guys. We just have to leave sometimes. Well, okay then. Bye, media text. So, can we move on to the credits? Yeah, sure. Movie 3 is a wrap. Cue the credits.